Yes. Okay. Too much of anything to avoid expiry.
Children, there's a program in Thika. We refer them. So sometimes the cases, sometimes the get grown. Do you have a temporary experience of that one? Yes, it's for facility. Yes, that's important.
The M-Pesa Foundation, I'm glad to announce that through the trustees is going to fund the construction of a modern maternity with theatre, with a newborn, and all the other special services as per the Ministry of Health specifications in this facility. This will ensure that mothers who come from around this area or who are referred to this facility get access quality care.
At the moment it is operating in under 30%. So with the improvement that we are going to make in this facility of having a modern maternity theater, having an ambulance, and also equipping our dental unit and equipping all the other units that are here, the X-ray, having new modern X-ray machines.
A healthy nation is a wealthy nation. When we start with this, we will go far. Because with this donation, I believe it will improve our health facility, and I hope Safaricom Foundation will replicate the same to the rest of our county, and we take it with a very good gesture.
Wanakuja kuchukua huduma yangu hapa, na mimi nafurahia hii hospitali kwa maana iko karibu na sisi na tunapata huduma mzuri.
Saidia sana kwa sababu mostly wa mama wetu wanatumwa, tuseme kama ni picha hiyo ya maternity unatumwa nje, na tulisikia kwamba hatuwezi enda maternity ward bila hiyo picha. Sasa tunaomba tu serikali yetu venye tu wamesema atatuletea hiyo facility, watulete kabisa na walete mingi.